I will show you how to sell property in GTA 5 online. First, open your cell phone by pressing the up arrow on the keyboard. After that, select Browser or Internet. Click Money and Services. Select the website you want to see the property. Select the property you want to buy or sell. After that, click Buy Property. You can resell your property, and there are still other options to sell your property here later. Congress, you already sell your property. Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.